So this weekend you can definitely go grilling. We are no longer looking at a red flag warning or anything. Today though, it is going to be breezy, windy at times, but for the weekend it's going to be perfect weather. As far as this morning, we are starting off pretty warm. 65 degrees is where we're at. Winds only at 6 miles per hour, so not too bad this morning. In Las Cruces though, they are much chillier at 53 degrees. Westerly winds at 8 miles per hour. So gusts, like I said, not too bad this morning. We're looking at 27 out there though, out there in Ruidoso, but the strongest they're going to get for today is going to be around 4, 5 o'clock. We're going to be seeing around 31 mile per hour gusts, and then by 10:30 p.m. we're going to be seeing around 20 mile per hour gusts. So they'll just come and go here and there, but like I said, Friday is going to be very, very nice. Saturday, even better. As for the next 9 hours, well, we are going to be seeing very cloudy skies for today, reaching those 60s by 10 a.m., 70s by noon, and then lower 80s later on this afternoon. So don't forget the allergy medicine for today. We're still seeing a lot of pollen in the air, but we'll finally get a little break Friday and Saturday. As far as storm systems across the country, we are tracking a cold front right over North Dakota. So this is going to bring heavy snow and rain out there, parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and that's going to continue moving up north. And our friends in East Texas, they're going to be seeing some severe weather tomorrow. So this is going to be around the Houston area, parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas. As far as West Texas, it's just going to be those winds. You can definitely wash those cars right now as well. Perfect time to do so because we're not tracking any kind of rain. So very seasonal temperatures today and tomorrow. Will warm up to those upper 80s for your Saturday. Beautiful weekend. 84 on Sunday. Next week it looks like we're going to be staying in those 80s, and we'll see those breezy conditions Monday and Tuesday. And big shout out to one of our weather watchers. So this goes to Mark Weatherly for these beautiful clouds decorating the sky. That's what he called it. So I love that. Thank you so much, Mark. I love this picture. And if you'd like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, just go ahead and send us those pictures. And not the best day for golf.